everyone, it's Brenda from Creations by Babydoll. Thank y'all for joining me. I'm hoping you have a wonderful day. Now, the previous painting that I did was with the Pourage Posse Paints by Christina Welch, which I have her link down below. And this one's the Carolina Blue. What I'm doing is a companion painting to the previous video I did, and I'll show you that here. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that green popping out. So I have this little 4x4 canvas. Now this is a regular canvas. The canvas is actually black. There's no base paint on it. And I'm going to take the leftover that I had from the previous pour, and I'm going to do it on here and see what we're going to have happen. Alright, here we go. Let that merge in a little bit on itself. Let's tilt that down a little. Cover that canvas. That way we can get the same weight on the paint. Give it a little torch. I think I'm going to go off with this side here. And bring the paint back to center so we have the even weight. Try not to stretch out my cells too much because it is on a littler canvas. And I am going to cut my edges on this one so that paint will come back. Bringing it back to center again. And down to here. And bring the paint back to center. Check my edges. And you also want to bring your paint back to center when you're done, because that way it doesn't dry all in one area. It's smoothed out and even, so you won't have any cracking. Oh, I like that. Oh, debating, do I want to give it another torch or not? Oh, I'm really liking how that gold's going around the blue cells there. Let's just give it a quick torch. How about that? Got some new things popping up right here. Ooh, that green's coming out of that blue now. I'm going to have them come back and give you all a finished look at this when it's done drying. Let's see if I can give you all a little bit of a close-up here. See how that green is popping into the blue now? Oh, I'm really liking that. Oh, I need to do my edges. It's already dripping off, which means it's going to draw paint off my canvas. Thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would love to hear from you. If you'd like to leave any comments or questions down in the comments section, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that little notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes up. Oh, that is really pretty. Thank y'all for joining me. Bye-bye.